My name is Erkki Laiti. I'm a Senior Scientist at the group level, working on technology developments. I would rather describe a typical week. I spend quite a lot of time on literature, so following what has been published, and also different kind of news on technologies. Maybe most of my time in our projects we working with the data. It's drawing the right conclusions from the data, which is a lot of complexity. I really like challenges. What we are actually working on at the moment is a very complex interplay with chemistry and the process of applying the chemistry onto paper, about understanding how everything comes together. Be able to provide the consumers and our customers barrier material solutions which have a better sustainability than current products on the markets. Currently the products, they are basically based on plastic films, laminated with aluminum films, and there are quite big challenges in recycling those materials, as well as being petrol-based plastics. They generate a lot of carbon dioxide emissions. So the project actually has its justification in providing better sustainability credentials for those products. They could be, for example, materials that you have, let's say, cookies, chocolate bars, dry food. These require a certain kind of barrier which is very resistant to water vapor. Then there are materials that need to be protected from the oxygen. Chemical nature of materials that gives a good barrier for oxygen is opposite to the one that gives good barrier for water vapor. So what we are trying to do in the develop materials and structures in certain combination can address the both barrier needs. This is most relevant when we're talking about coating and coating of barrier materials onto paper. We are working a lot on the chemical side. So what are the chemistries that we need to add onto the paper so that it will perform or give a barrier performance. This chemistry, which is typically water-based, it will have an interaction with the paper. It's not so that one chemistry fits all the paper, one paper fits all the chemistries. So we have to understand how they interact. That Ahlstrom is a really serious company regarding sustainability. It's taken really seriously, and it is actually the key driver of all developments we do. Yes, very much so. I'm located in our R&D center in France, but we are in daily contact with different stakeholders. I'm listening to old Finnish pop music most of the time. Not to mention, of course, drinking a lot of coffee and having saunas.